Removing unwanted hair is an endless task. You're constantly shaving, waxing is painful, and professional hair removal takes a lot of time. It's expensive and can be embarrassing. Introducing the Silk'n Jewel, our newest flash and go solution to remove unwanted hair permanently, painlessly, and in the privacy of your own home. This jewel of hair removal uses the latest pulsed light technology to make shaving a thing of the past. The Silk'n Jewel works. It's clinically proven, FDA blessed, and dermatologist recommended. Jewl uses silken pulsed light technology to safely, painlessly, and quickly remove unwanted hair for good, from your legs to your lips. And it works with triggerless ease. Safe and effective, Jewl uses optical light energy to flash away unwanted hair. This energy is absorbed by the hair shaft and transformed into heat. The heat terminates the hair follicle, so hair never grows back again. Pulsed light technology is best for use with lighter skin tones and darker hair. To make it safe and easy, the Jewl has a built-in skin sensor to prevent the device from activating if the skin tone is too dark to treat. The Jewl works with state-of-the-art touch and glide, triggerless ease, and can be used on upper lip, chin, underarms, arms, back, bikini line, and of course, legs. Pulsed light technology will be most effective when there is no hair blocking the follicle, so you should shave the area to be treated first. And because hair grows at different rates, Silk'n Jewel should be used whenever new hair appears that was not actively growing at the time of the last treatment. In a couple of months, you should be hair-free. If a few dormant hairs ever pop up, just give them a zap. Jewl is surprisingly affordable and only takes a few minutes per week to see amazing results that last forever. The Silk'n Jewel makes unwanted hair a thing of the past for that just shaved feeling every day.